Hi, I'm Dwight Esnard, President of MESA Garage Doors. I'm here to tell you about something that over 200,000 of our satisfied customers have learned. Not only will a garage door change the look and value of your home, but you'll get all that at the guaranteed lowest price.
Call now to schedule a free no-obligation estimate. For as low as $6.99, you can transform the look of your home. But wait, if you call in the next 10 minutes, we'll take an additional $100 off. That's right, we'll lower the price to $5.99 installed.
That's 1-800-923-MESA.